Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I believe you are doing well. Mancoba here was all about helping each and everyone. You now know. It's been a while since I've been posting. It's been busy, hectic work, school, and personal stuff. So I've been trying to balance. So today, let's look at how to apply at UNISA. We start without wasting any time, which is the University of South Africa. Go to any browser that you're using, then start searching UNISA www.unisa.ac.za. Then you click it. So give it some time. Sometimes your network might be slow or the system might be slow. So ladies and gentlemen, I do apply for people with 50 rand. So let's look at this. I always advise that before you apply, check the requirements if you meet them or not before you apply and get disappointed. First thing, come and check for something that says, if you scroll down, browse all qualifications so that you can check the qualifications that you want. Obviously it will come to this step, then you can check them as per the colleges or faculties or their levels, but I will suggest that you click all so that all of them they will pop up. You will see that you have higher certificate, you have advanced certificate, you have diplomas, you have advanced diplomas, postgraduate certificate, and degrees. For example, if you want something, you can start clicking. So when you are once we have opened the qualification that you want, the first thing you want to check is the APS. How much APS do they want? Then you go and calculate your APS. So how you calculate it, according to here, you add the levels of your subject excluding LO, just to be safe. So for this one, they need this one. Maximum time to complete it, this one is 3 years. It doesn't mean that the qualification it takes 3 years for you to complete it. No, it means that if you are overwhelmed or you are too busy, you can take it bit by bit until you have 3 years to complete this certificate. So you scroll down. Another step that you need to check or pay attention to is these statements. Depending what qualification you'll be using. If you are using NSC, this is the requirement, 40% of your language of learning, which I think most of us it is English, if not Afrikaans. You check here. Those who got their metric before 2008, those long time ago, this where you check, this is your senior certificate. Those coming from colleges with NCV level 4s, this is your requirement. You also check this one. So it means that they do consider people who have the NCVs. What do they say here? Selection option for the higher certificate studies will be limited and aligned to vocational subject choices obtained in the national NCV. I don't understand what they mean, but if you do, you do. So since I'm here, let me just cover the application fee is 140. When you make the reference, you go to ATM, the FNB, you go and click pay public recipient, then you start searching UNISA. It will pop up. Then once it pop up, you capture the money. For reference, it is a student number, then you leave a space, then after that you put this compulsory reference number, then you make the payment. If you have made a mistake, you can just send the proof of payment to this email address. It will take them around plus or minus 10 working days to reallocate your money. So let me look at other factors. Let me just go back here and come to this one, step 4. For example, let's say if you wanted to apply, you just want to check other stuff. My network is a little bit slower today. So once we are here, let's look. Everyone who wants to apply, first time people who wants to change qualifications or specific specializations, yeah, they can reapply or apply. So let's look at the document. You need obviously your result. It can be your senior certificate, national senior certificate, or NCVs or N4s. I didn't see anything about N4, but some qualification I think they do consider them. Then what is this? Your official academic record. If you are applying for the honors or postgraduate, something, the advanced certificate or whatsoever, make sure that you upload your academic record. You upload your ID copy from South Africa or passport from international students, your marriage certificate if they want it, or divorce decree if they want it. So for documents, they should be black and white. They should not be bigger than 2 MB. Pay attention to this one. Excuse me. So you'll notice that when you try to upload them, if they are bigger than this one, they won't get be uploaded. The format should be PDF, doc, or TIF, which is an image. I always advise Gemini that you scan your document properly from the internet cave. This is a once-off thing. You just take less than 5 rand, I think, per document. You go to an internet cave, you scan, you certify them, you scan them properly once and for all. So you upload proper stuff. You don't want to be rejected or whatsoever. Your application is not processed because they can't see your result or something like that. So we've covered. This is what I was saying here at the ATM. This is your reference. You put your student number, then you leave one space, then you put this reference number at the ATM. So once we are here, you can either click apply here or apply here, or you can come and click here. If you are at the main screen, you will see this apply or the other apply, then you click apply now. Let's click this one. So you can see these are the options that are available or that are open for now, except for the short learning programs. Then you choose the one that you want. So we want this one, undergraduate. You have a student number, you will indicate if you are reapplying yes. If no, you will just click no. Then after that, you capture your surname, you capture your names, and you capture the date of birth. Make sure that when you capture these details, they are correct. You do not make mistake, because any mistake that you will be making here, make sure that you don't forget it, because at the end, when you come and check your status, or you want to do the registration, this thing will come back for you. You must remember, make sure that you don't leave spaces after entering your details, because this might come and backfire to you. So most of the information here will be blurry, guys, because of POPI Act, Protective of Personal Information Act. So they are very strict. I got a lot of my videos deleted. So once you have captured everything, don't forget that I do application for student. It is 50 rand. Click continue. It will take you to another step where you'll need to choose what you are doing this year or what you have completed. So I don't advise you to choose this first option, completed only matric or grade 12, except for those people, I think, which dropped out around on grade 9s or grade 10s. Then they come back and do this amended national senior certificate. You can choose this one because you have only completed matric. But the rest of us, we come here, you rewrote, you are upgrading, or you have completed matric, you choose this one, rewrote and passed matric. Current in matric, for you it is very simple, you choose this one. Those coming from colleges using NCVs, you choose this one. For N4s, I'm not sure, but I think you can choose this one. Then from international student, you choose this one. If you are applying for the advanced diplomas or advanced certificate, you will choose this one. Or if you are currently completing a certificate now, you will choose this one. Depending what you are doing now, then you just click continue. So you come here because you have checked your qualification, it falls under which college and which category, whether it's a higher certificate or what. Then you come and choose here. You choose the stream, which is the specialization. Some of the modules, they will have the not applicable because they don't have, but some, for example, like education, they do have it, where you need to specify what did I choose, where you need to specify the specialization, what you are talking or what you want to study or apply for. Then you click here. Then after that, you click continue. You give the system a little bit. Don't panic. Just take a little bit, some few seconds, just to process the information. Once it is correct, you'll verify that everything it is correct. Then you click continue. Don't forget that I do apply for student. Then you come here. You enter your initials. The initial should be the first one. Then you open one space. You enter the second one. Just make sure that you leave a space. You come and choose your title. If you are a doctor, you will be called Dr. Mr., Miss or Mrs. or etc. Then you come and choose your ID. You will choose here what you have: ID, foreign identity number, passport or something. So in this case we have the ID number. Then you come and capture your gender. What is your gender? Make sure that you have it correct. Let me scroll a bit. So once you are here, you need to select your physical disability if you have something. So don't see this what is this not applicable, and just click continue. It will bounce back. Just click there and come and select this not applicable, this one. Then after that you just click continue. The student has a student number, you see now. Okay, it's fine. I will merge with another student, with another applicant, and show you how to proceed with the application. Yeah, so once everything it is correct, make sure that it is correct, then you can just click continue. So it should take you to the another stage or another page where you need to capture your contact details, which is your number and your email address. So for number, you start with the +27, your country code. Then you can start entering the number. Now you will leave out the 0 and start putting the other numbers of your cell phone number. So you have to confirm it. I will suggest that you can just copy and paste. So for home, you can put your home number if you have it here. Someone next of kin, which I advise that you do it properly. So this one will be hidden or blurred, yeah, English, it will be blurred because of Poppy Act. So let me capture the email address first. So make sure that these things are correct, guys, as it is hard to fix them. The email, the contact details, just make sure that they are correct. Then once we have them captured, let me scroll a bit. We come to this part where you need to choose yes or no, and normally you can just click no to everything here, because we are asking you, are you a prisoner? No. Attended, are you a dependent of a current or retired or deceased permanent staff from UNISA? No. Most of us it will be no. So are you a current retired staff member? No. If you are not, do you require further assistance with career planning? I'll suggest that you click no, because you would have checked or been advised. So for exam center, you leave it at default. If not, choose the online examination. Do you intend to apply for exemption from previous studies? This is when you have completed, for example, a higher certificate. Now you are moving to an advanced certificate or diploma or degree. Then you can start choosing this one, yes, or you can start choosing no, of which for me I'll leave it at no if you are from metric or something like that. So this one you'll still have to apply for it after registration, this point. So it doesn't mean if you have missed it, it's the end of you. So please select an option how you'd like to pay your study fees. So you'll select if you are self-funding, NSFAS, whatsoever bursary, you will choose what you will be using. Are you in the process of completing a higher certificate diploma in this one in a university? If you are transferring, of which this option should apply to you, but in this case we will suggest that you say no. Then you click continue. Then you come to this part where you need to capture your addresses correctly. You start with the street number. I suggest that you use the street address. You start with the physical address. You start with the street number, then you go to the name of the street and or the name of the village. If you are from homes, you will click the stand number. You will write stand number. For example, you can write stand number and then 308. Then the next line you are putting your suburb. You are putting your suburb. I'm making an example. Then from here, don't leave the other space empty. You copy this suburb, you go and search with the suburb here. Under suburb, you search for the name, it should pop up. But if not, try to use your cities or something like that. So let me enter the correct one here. So this is the correct one. I take it and go and search for the postal code. So I search it, it should be giving me the correct one. Then after that, you just click continue. So if it doesn't pop up here, you can also search as a town. Let me see if it will pop up here from as a town. It is. popping up. Then I have a various of options where I can choose add, but I would like to leave it as a suburb. Yeah, I'm just showing you, should it not, then you click search, then you click continue. So yeah, just use your physical address so that it doesn't give you problems when you do the registration. Is it the same as your postal address? Just click yes here. So just click yes, then after that you continue, you'll find it this side. You click continue, then you come to this one, select your home language, and then do you have siblings? You'll indicate your nationality. You can start searching. It should pop up. You are choosing South Africa or your country. Population group, you are choosing it. Occupation, if you are working, you will indicate. If you are not working, if you chose unemployed here, so you click not applicable here. Here you will also choose what you are doing. Unemployed, you are working, or you are in school or secondary or whatever, what you are doing. So you just read and choose it very well. So if you are currently in matric, there's nothing to choose. Actually, yeah, there's nothing more to choose here. Sorry, national certificate from 2008. Yeah, you can choose this one. If you are using NCS, you choose this one. Those who obtained it before 2008, you choose this one. Can you choose? Yeah, you choose that one. If you have failed, you will indicate. If you don't know or other, just type another here. So for this one, higher admission, you can leave it as it is here, or just click another before you enter something that is wrong. It is not important. Your metric, you will indicate when did you complete metric, then the province where you have completed your metric. Then after that, you start searching your school. Make sure that you select the correct province. So if you start searching with a computer, it should pop up as soon as possible before scrolling. I will try to check with the phone how it will do. Then you click continue. Please indicate the higher. Okay, it looks like we need to choose here. I think it is best that you click other before you choose anything, or unless you know how did you pass your matric. So let's say it's this one, whether it's a diploma or degree or higher certificate. Yeah, you can choose, guys. Then after that, you click continue. This one, just choose one of it, because if you click next, it won't continue. So you just need to choose which one you have access to. For now, I can say data. If you have a laptop or desktop, you will also choose. Then you click continue. Just like that, you are done actually applying. So this way they verify your details. Then you read all of this thing. Then you agree. Then you click submit. Click it at once. Then give it some time. So if don't click many times. Then if you don't have the document, you can log out and return letter to upload the document. Maybe I'll show you how to do it. But if you have them, then you can start choosing. We have specified what types of document you need. So click choose file, go to the part where you have allocated your document, then you double click, then you click upload. Click it at once and wait a little bit. It will depend with your network. So here you can upload up to 5 maximum documents. So if you have uploaded the wrong document here, just make sure that you upload the correct one by choosing here and re-upload the correct one. So I don't want to do it. Then you click upload, it should come up here. So if you have uploaded the one, you cannot delete this one, just upload the correct one. So let's upload the second one. You double click, then you click upload, you wait a little bit, then it should pop up, then it is done, depending also on your network. So if you'd like to add extra documents or supporting document, this is where you can upload them, especially for they will tell you what they want, but you can upload here what you like to upload. Then once you are done, ladies and gentlemen, you can just click submit and continue. Just like that, you will be done. So you also give it a little bit some time depending on your network. So it is done. We are done with the application for this student. So what you can do, you can just take a screenshot for this one and just leave it. We're gonna save it later. Minimize. So here you have your student number, you have you can check your qualifications. It is important to take the screenshot for this thing in case you would like to come back and check your status, so that you will know how were your names, how did you enter your names, are they correct, or if you have made a mistake you will have to put them, your student number, I think also the email that you used when you were applying, just like that. So if you have the money, you can, or you want to pay with a card, you can click here pay with a credit card, so that it will take you to that option, or you can just click pay later, and you are just done with your application. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how you apply at the University of South Africa. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share with everyone. I do assist with applications. I charge 50 rand.